Attention, WhatsApp users! A new and very useful feature has arrived to make managing your chats much easier. Earlier, clearing a chat deleted everything. Now, you can choose what to remove. To use this feature, just open any personal or group chat, tap the name at the top, and scroll down. You will see a new option called Clear Chat. When you tap on it, WhatsApp will show you 3 different choices. The first option is All Messages, and this will delete only the text messages and nothing else. The second option is Media Files Only. When you tap it, WhatsApp will show all the media in that chat, like photos, videos, GIF, stickers, documents, audio files, and voice messages. You can then choose which ones you want to delete. The third option is Starred Messages. These are the messages or media you marked with a star because they were important. They can be texts, photos, videos, voice notes, links, or locations. If you don't need them anymore, you can delete all your starred items from here without deleting anything else in the chat. For example, in this chat, I'm choosing to delete only the voice messages, and everything else stays exactly the same. This feature is extremely helpful as it allows you to clean up unnecessary stuff, free up storage, and still keep everything that matters. You can use this option in any personal chat or group.